Good morning, people, and welcome to another day of Vlogmas. First of all, I'm so sorry that I've been grouping days together, but literally it is exam season right now, and as I told you guys, I've been taking some communications and PR classes at university, and so right now this week has just been insane, plus coupled with moving. So I really do apologize that I've been grouping the days together, but I still wanted to keep kind of vlogging and show you guys what I'm doing. So that's why I've been bad, basically. I've been a bad vlogger. I get it. I've been bad. But I wanted to address that right off the top. Next week, everything should quiet down starting on the 19th of December. So I was thinking maybe I would extend Vlogmas one more week and include another week of videos every single day. Let me know what you're thinking, just because things will be a little bit quieter, so I will have the time to do every single day as opposed to these vlog videos. So a lot of you guys have been asking for a weight loss update, and we're gonna go ahead and do that right now as well, or just a weight update. I'm gonna weigh myself right now, and honestly, I'm a little nervous. I'm gonna be using my Vanity Planet Body Digital Analyzer scale, which I love. I personally love this scale because it's sleek and stainless steel. It looks great, but then also I like that it doesn't only give you the number that you weigh, because you know, numbers are great and everything for a guideline, but I don't like to get too focused on the number on the scale. It can be very discouraging and very non-motivational to look at like the number if it's not moving how you want it to move. So this scale actually shows you like your bone density, your water weight, your muscle mass, all according to your height and your age and your fitness level. So it is perfect, perfect, perfect. Let's go weigh, and then I'll talk to you guys about the results after. You might think, oh my god, look what I weighed in at today, guys. So excited. My body fat's gone down. My weight's gone down. I am super duper excited. Closer to 130. Okay, hello light. So I just got dressed again after stepping on the scale because I like to weigh myself naked because any extra ounce is gonna count. Just kidding. My muscle mass has actually increased and my body fat's gone down since the last time I weighed myself, which is amazing. That's why I love this scale, because sometimes I can see like basically when I'm increasing my muscle mass as well as losing fat. So to actually really get a breakdown, you can really track your progress and your muscle building progress and also your fat loss progress, which is a godsend for me. The best part is right now you guys can save yourself a crazy amount of money on this scale. It truly could be a lot more expensive than it is, but you guys can save 60% off with the code that I have. So yeah, that's my weight right now. I'm happy with it. I could obviously be a little bit better. I know the last week has not been the best in terms of eating, but this week I'm starting afresh. I'm gonna show you guys some of the meals that I'll be eating this week as well, because you know, it's a fresh start. I also want to show you guys quick updates to things that have changed in the apartment since the last time I showed you guys. Just a few little things that we got in, and then I'm gonna get dressed, get out, do an OOTD, and let's get on with the day. The last time you saw the living room, it was builder's beige, and now the first coat of white paint has gone up. There are going to be 2 coats, I believe. This is just 1 coat, and it already looks so much better being white. Here is a better angle, so I have the light in front of me, so you can see it really brightens up everything. The previous color was up there, builder's beige. The ceilings are white, so everything ties in beautifully. And then we have our accent area over here. Obviously we had to move stuff while we paint, but the white looks so good picking out the accent wall. You can kind of see the sparkle. I'm obsessed. Oh, also the bar stools did come in. I ordered the bar stools from Wayfair. We just haven't put them together yet. Maybe we'll do that today actually or tomorrow, but I want to show you guys because we did unbox them because they are beautiful. So here are the bar stools that we went with. You guys can see this is just like part of the bar stool. The cushion is down there, but the quality is really great. So they are this ivory kind of canvas material. It's more of like a beige, like an off-white, and then it has the stud detailing around, which I love. I wanted something that had a little accent on it and wasn't just completely plain. And honestly, these cushions, like giving them a squeeze, they're nice, and these are gonna be a dream to sit on. I'm so excited. You know, sometimes when you order stuff online, it can be hit and miss with the quality, and I did read all the reviews, and I really read them in depth to make sure people liked them, and I looked at photos to make sure they didn't look cheap in real life, but there's always that element of risk. So I am so happy that the quality on these is really, really good. And they weren't the most expensive bar stools. They weren't cheap, but they also weren't like $500 for 2, which, you know, bar stools can get expensive, which I did not realize before this. Okay guys, another quick outfit of the day before I head out. You guys can see I'm literally living in black and leather a lot lately. My outfits have been pretty uninspired, not gonna lie. because it is so freaking cold outside that I step outside and freeze, so all I want to do is be warm. I started off, this is just a turtleneck black sweater from ZARA. It actually has a bunch of holes in the armpits. I've gone ahead and just worn this oversized slouchy cardigan over it. I like to kind of wear it off the shoulder, although you can do that for like a more casual look. This is also from ZARA. It's really chunky, so I actually just belted it with my Gucci belt, obviously. I'm wearing some leather trousers. These are actually not the leather trousers I wore yesterday. These ones are actually straight up like leather leggings. There's no button or anything. They're just a slip-on legging. So they're very comfortable, extremely comfortable. And for shoes, I just have on my Dolce & Gabbana boots with the heel. So yeah, guys, that's our warm and cozy outfit. Let's head out.
The weather's kind of cold, but you know you've got a hand to hold. Come on.
So first of all, I'm gonna make these little garlic herb potatoes. So I'm just gonna mix them with olive oil and this little seasoning packet and throw it in the oven. And then I'm also gonna be making this chicken breast tonight too. I'm actually gonna season it with some other things. And then I will just put that on the pan and you guys will see how I do that. It takes really quick. They're really thin cutlets. And we have veggies. I might do some kind of veggie or a salad. IDK.
Long out and play, what a wonderful day. Your white cheeks are so hard to resist. Those red lips are longing for a kiss. Come along out and play, what a